Summer Zebra fan Eevee and Eli the cat fan. Back and give another video. And guess what? I made my top 15 Baby Einstein DVDs list. So I know I'm only recording till 5 minutes. So I'm not gonna make a long intro, okay? Okay. Introduction. Here we go. Hey, this is Eli the cat fan Eevee here. And welcome to my top 15 Baby Einstein DVDs. So let's dive in. Number 15 is World of Colors. This colorful video would teach your little one colors like yellow, green, orange, purple, red, and blue. Join Vincent and his colorful friends as he paints beautiful paintings with classical music and colorful images. There we go. Sorry. I cannot freaking talk. Number 14 is On the Go. This video will teach your little one vehicles on land, on water, and in air. Join Nathan as he discovers vehicles. Number 13 is Baby Neptune. This video will teach your little one that water's all around us. At the ocean, the beach, rivers and lakes, at my house, and raindrops and puddles. Join Neptune the turtle as he discovers water with music by Handel and eye-catching scenery. Number 12 is World of Words. What I'm watching right now. This video will teach your child poetry. Join Bird the Dragon as he discovers poetry with classical music and puppet shows. Well, yeah. Okay. Number 11 is Baby Monet. This seasonal video will get your baby to know the 4 seasons like spring, summer, fall, and winter. Join Baby Monet the zebra and her seasoned zebra friends as they discover the 4 seasons with music by Vivaldi and seasonal images. Number 10 is Baby Galileo. This Out of This World video will get your baby to discover the sky. Join Baby Galileo and Galileo's mom as they both explore the sun, clouds, stars, moon, planets, galaxies, and space. Number 9 is Baby Neptune. Again, I got 2 Baby Neptunes. This video will teach your little one that water's all... Oh, flip. That's an A, not an S. Sorry. That water is all around us. For freaking A. Okay. At the ocean, the beach, rivers and lakes, at my house, and raindrops and puddles. Join Baby Neptune the turtle as he discovers water with music by Handel and possum scenery. Number 8 is Baby Lullaby. This soothing video can help get your baby to sleep. Join Baby Lamb, the sheep, as she gets ready for bed with music by Bach and Brahms and soothing scenery. Number 7, Baby Noah. This musical video will take you on an animal adventure. Join Noah the elephant as he gathers animals 2 by 2 and puts them in the ark. That's what I got so far. I'll see you on part 2. See you on part 2. Eli the cat fan out. Let's go, go, go.